Bathroom. Shower. Bathtub. See what the view is. Probably none. One apartment across the street. And over there, got their little flowers out. And this is the bath. And then back out the hall. Toilet. And entry. And a little guest room. Sink. And bedroom. So it's not a bad bed. A really ugly view out here. Nothing to it. But there's the city too. So we'll go outside and see what's up. In a little dressing room, closet. That's about the story of the room.